This box has chargers, AirPods, Galaxy Buds, smart glasses, and iPhone 7 headphones. But I'm not gonna sit here and tell you every single product is a winner just because I wanna sell you the box. Now, some of these products are easy to move, some require more work, and some may look profitable to you until you actually try to sell them. Every product isn't for everybody. Today, I'm breaking down every single product in the beginner's 4-piece resellers kit, and one viewer is gonna actually get to win a box. Now, yes, I'm giving away one of the reseller kits. Now, before you enter, this is exactly what you have to do. From the products I've introduced in this video, I want you to comment below which one you would start reselling first and which one you don't even think deserves to be in this box. You're helping me, so I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna choose one of the best comments with an explanation, and I will tell you guys the winner on our community post and also my next recorded video. Now, let's get into this box. Now, let's get one thing clear. This is not a magic money box. You still have to create the listings, you still have to take good pictures, price correctly, answer questions, and actually make the sale. Now, when I created this box, it was designed to help you actually start the process. Have something to actually work with to start making money. You need inventory. You need to turn your money into an asset. The product isn't just going to start out and work for you. But with a little pricing strategy, putting in front of the right customer, the product handles the rest of the hard work. Now, let's actually break down what this actually is and why I've created it. I created it because I was a reseller just like you, probably trying to get started without having to go through AliExpress. You go to hustlertoldme.com, go to sourcing, go to resellers kits. I have a bunch of kits here, but we're gonna be talking about this 4-piece customizable kit. Now, this 4-piece customizable kit, $65, but I wanna show you what type of products I actually started out with. I broke my product catalog into 4 sections. In these 4 sections, number 1, we have clones. These simulate products. These are not replicas because we do not consider clones the same as something that is imitating. They have the same logo, same everything. No, clones have slight alterations. Then we have audio. Okay, this is going to be something like headphones, usually wired. These are usually going to be impulsive buys and also going to be the products that help you get customers to give you positive feedback on these different selling apps right off the gate. And then you have something considered really, really important. It's a need product, and these are chargers. Chargers are very, very popular. They'll get your store up and running in person or online. And then last but not least, this is going to be the one that keeps you in the algorithm, the one that actually helps you, but also fluctuates. This is a dangerous category. When it works, it works. When it doesn't, it doesn't. And this is going to be trending items, okay? So trending products. So we have clones, audio, chargers, trending items. This is how you want to categorize your reselling business, especially with electronics. Now, if we go back here, we have 4 different categories. We have one product. This is going to be your clones. This is going to be your chargers. This is going to be your audio. And then this is going to be your trending. Now, with this, you're going to want to get some type of clone that's going to make at least 70% of your profit. Then you'll have 10% of each of these products working to bring you even more money. What the hell am I talking about? Well, let's take a look, right? You have these type of clones. We have the Bud Plus, Buds, Gen 4 Pods, Maxes, and we also have Raycon headphones as well. Now, these are going to be way more lucrative in the long run. But again, you order this type of box to test products to see which ones are selling on your platform. My finger, guys, I smashed it into a door. Don't smash your fingers in the doors. This hurts, but we're good. We're still going. Number 1, we got the Bud 2 Pro. Now, the Bud 2 Pro is a pod that looks like this. It comes in purple and black, connects the same as the regular Buds, but it is a clone. This is a product that does imitate the regular ones, but does not have any Samsung logo on it. We sell for around $40 to $60. You can get this for less than $20, okay? When you buy a wholesale, but in a box, you're getting it for $16. Okay, $16 is what these would cost you. This is the Buds Plus. Now the Bud Plus, obviously, again, this is going to be a headset that is more premium. It does not have any of the Samsung branding, which allows you to effectively list this on platforms like eBay. Then we have the Gen 4s. So this connects to Apple, just like the regular ones, has the touch screen up here where you can actually tap it to connect. It has Find My iPhone. It connects directly to iPhones as regular pods. It has no fake speakers. But one of the best things that we can promote with these is the fact that this is a product that has no Apple logos, but gives very much of the same quality. You have the Maxes. The Maxes are oldie but goodies, okay? These are products that obviously we take the plastic off. It has a bunch of plastic on it at first because this is how the supplier sends it. But these are, again, connecting with Apple, connecting as the regular Maxes. These usually cost around $27 wholesale. Again, you're getting them for $16. Everything is $16, and this is important when it goes to us listing these products from this box, because remember, I said this is going to make 70% of your profit, because you're going to be able to sell this for anywhere between $60 to $90, this for anywhere between $40 to $60, anywhere between $40 to around $60, and this finally $35 to $50 you can sell. This gives you the flexibility and the availability to be able to push these products. For charging, guys, these are going to be the chargers that are available in the box. The dual adapter. So the dual adapter is a popular product, especially if you bundle. It has the USB and the USB-C. Packaging is good. Aero tab as well. It also has a seal at the bottom. This right here is the oldie but goodie 20-watt USB-C power adapter. And again, has that Aero tab. And again, you cannot open it. Fire MagSafe. And this again has that Aero. Now, what about pricing? So we sell this for around $550 to $850. We sell this for around the same amount, but $650 to $950 to $10. We can bundle these two. We can get them for $15 to $17. Then you have the MagSafe wire. We sell this for around $12.50. We'll go all the way down to $9.50 and still get sales on eBay and Mercari. These are products, again, that people need. These are available as options for the 4-piece resellers kit. For the product, for the trending items, squishy jellyfish, personally would not recommend getting this product off the rip if you're trying to just make straight profit. Why? This is a trending product that sells for $8.50. You get this for wholesale for around $5 on hustlertaughtme.com. Squishy dumplings, this right here, this is a product that, again, if you're trying to make the max profit, don't necessarily get these in your box. But if you're trying to actually sell multiple quantities of products, this is when you want to get these type of trending products. This is actually a newer version of the dumplings that have been selling well. Then you have, of course, oldie but goodie. This is the smart wireless car sensor charger. This is the Icon Q wireless headset. This is something I would get. This is a cheap headset for people. You can get this wholesale for less than $5. You can sell this for around $10.99, $12.99, even $15. Again, that makes money. Then you have the smart audio glasses. The smart audio glasses don't have a camera on them, but they do everything that the regular Ray-Bans would do. They give navigation, everything. You download the app, it acts like basically Meta glasses, but it doesn't capture images. We do have those coming soon though. And this is something that sells for around $19, $25, even sometimes $30. It's a 3-in-1 pad. This is one of my favorite products. This product right here sells for around $12, $12.50, $15 if you bundle it with something like this. And that is exactly what you would want to do. If I was somebody getting the box, these are the products that I would get off the rip. I would get this because this is actually really, really, really cheap. If you sell this on your eBay, Mercari, or any platform, you can continue to get these, get more and more. Then for the charging, dual adapter, because it has the Type-C and it has the USB connecting, this, which would be the Gen 4 pods. Now, other audio products that we have the iPhone 7 headphones, the Galaxy headphones, and we have the Type-C. If I was picking this box, I would go with the iPhone 7 headphones. So to sum it up, guys, we would do the dual adapter, we would do the TSW, the Icon Q, we would also do the 3-in-1 charging pad. This here is going to make us our money back plus more profit, and also put our store in the right place to buy and order more products. Remember, this box isn't made for you to make thousands. It's made for you to actually test products so you know exactly where to put your money towards. And it doesn't have to just be with us. It could be with AliExpress, Alibaba, but you want to get inventory where you can test fast so you can make money work for you. Now, to sum this all up, guys, we'll go more in depth on listing, more in depth on pricing, but I want to show you guys some examples of sellers that are selling the same exact products from us. You have the MagSafe foldable 3-in-1 charging station, $7.69. Then we have the Gen 4 sealed AirPod 4, not saying anything with Apple, $60. Then you have the dual adapter, $8.99. And then the product people are sleeping on, it is the wireless earbuds, the Bluetooth in-ear headphones, the black, $18.99. From this box, you can make 120 plus, and you'll be able to still see what products are selling on your store for you to get more or buy a bigger reseller's kit, as we do have more options. BearsHustlerTaught.me.com. Go over to sourcing, go to resellers kits, and we also have about kits where we explain what type of reseller kits we do have. But you can see we have a 25-piece starter kit for $250, our most popular. We have the 4-piece, we have a cable kit, an adapter kit. We have a bunch of different kits that you can get, even 100-piece kits. And these are kits that I actually do sell to real life companies. I'm talking T-Mobile, AT&T. They do private label these. We give these products to other businesses in our areas. And also we supply business globally. So if you are looking to build, grow, and most importantly, profit, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. If you want to get a free box, make sure you leave that comment of products that you would sell, would not sell. I need to know, because that information helps us as a company. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.